Now Indian Payment Bank, as it suggested that it is the give the banking facility, and it is the it is the division of India Post. Yes, it is a division of the India Post, and now currently it gives the 9 type of banking facility, 9 type of banking facilities established on 13th January 2017. 13th January 2017, and its headquarters is at New Delhi. It is a ISA. It conducted give the all the banking facility to the ordinary people through the post offices. We know that in the rural area there is no banking facility for the people, but there are post offices reach up to the rural area. So it is the best option to the people to the rural area. They can do all the banking processes through the post offices. Through the post offices, it has a currently 9 crore plus people join with this service. 9 crore plus people of the join service. So to run the government scheme, it is very beneficial for the rural area people. For the rural people, it is very beneficial to run the government scheme. Now, for the in consider up to the job, it also provided the huge job opportunities. Currently 68 vacancies. It announced the 68 vacancies for the manager post. If you want to apply to the job, you have the last date up to 10th January. 10th January. Go to, apply online. Go to the website. It's official website, Indian Post Payment Bank, IPPBonline.com. IPPBonline.com. You get all the detail about the salary, about all top these. Apply before the 10th January, remember. And so it is the very good opportunity for to the job, and it do the very great work, and it provides, I see, the banking facility to all the type of the people, even to the rural area, and it is very best to run the government scheme. Share this thought to the maximum people, and if you like the information, subscribe, share. Thanks.